In this video, I'll show you how to log into your Apple account on a Mac. People used to call it an Apple ID or an iCloud login, but the correct term Apple uses now is Apple account. First, open System Settings by clicking the Apple icon in the corner of your screen, then select System Settings. Now in this window, right at the top of the left sidebar, if you aren't logged in yet, it will say Sign in with your Apple account. Go ahead and click that. If you don't have an account yet, you can check out my video on how to create one. I've left the link in the description below. But if you already have an Apple account and you're using it on your iPhone or iPad, let's log in on your Mac. Type your email or phone number in this box, then click Continue. Next, enter your password and hit Continue. To verify, Apple will now send a confirmation code to the phone number you used to register that Apple account. You'll receive a message like this. Just enter the exact code you received right here. Once you enter it correctly, the system will automatically display a window asking for your Mac's password. This is the password you use to log in when you turn on your Mac. Then click Continue. Next, your Mac might show a few prompts to set up certain apps. For example, here the system asks if you want to turn on Find My Mac. Enabling this gives Apple access to your device's current location. Since I don't need it right now, I'll just click Not Now. And there we go. You'll now see your Apple account information displayed right here, which means you've successfully logged in. If you want to sync Apple services across your iPhone, iPad, and Mac, go to the iCloud section. Then, under Save to iCloud, click See All. Here, any service toggled on will sync its data across your devices. Conversely, if you don't want to sync a specific app, just switch it to off.